Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art, here to make you another video. First off, I want to show you the painting from my last video. Here it is. It was a wreck of ring, and if you saw my last video, you'll see that it was very dark and it kind of looked muddy. So after the video, you'll see that it was part one, and I did not like it at all. It was muddy and it did not look good. So I scraped it off, and this is going to be the same canvas, 14 by 14, and we're going to do a wreck a ring part two on the same canvas, different colors. So my colors this time are going to be Art Minds Tahitian Blue, Art Minds Persian Blue, Basics Brilliant Yellow Green, and Deco Art Phthalo Turquoise. And I have white for spreading around the edges. They're all acrylic paints. Oh goodness, so let's hope that this turns out better than the other one did. So let's get on with part two of layering my paints. Sometimes you just, afterwards, after the video, you get looking at your painting and there just isn't something right about it. And that one was just way too dark for me. So I just decided to scrape it and do another video on the same canvas and see if we could come out with something a lot better. A lot prettier. To get almost a full cup, just to make sure that we have enough. I hope everybody is being safe with everything that's going on in the world today. So I hope everybody's being safe and taking care of themselves. I know it's boring having to stay in all the time, but I hope everybody is doing what they're supposed to be doing to stay safe. Here we go. These colors are a lot better looking, even right now. Let's give it a torch. Some air bubbles in there. Plus, I just mixed a lot of these paints this morning. Okay, now we're going to wreck the ring. Last time I did circles and I didn't care for it, so let's just do this. Looks pretty just the way it is like that. All right, now let's start tipping and see if we need to add some colors to the white to flow over or not. Might have to. I love these record rings. They're so much fun to play with. There we go. Let's turn it around. You all can see what I'm doing. Let's get this corner here and over here. Don't know if I have enough paint or not. Yeah, I'll got to go to this side. Got my TV up here so you guys can, I can try and keep it in frame for you. Just so it'll flow a little bit easier over there. Yeah, that looks pretty. It's a lot better than the first one was. That is for sure. The colors are a lot brighter. They blended very well together. I think all my edges are covered pretty good. Get my hands wiped off so we can give it one final torch. While I'm doing that, I'll ask you to please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really like it if you'd share with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot with my placement with YouTube. Leave me a comment if you so desire. I can do anything that you would like. If there's any color combination you want or any technique you want to see me do, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. Quite a few little air bubbles in this one. Just mixed a lot of new paint. There we go. Oh, turned out beautiful. Give you a close-up. Really turned out gorgeous. Love these colors together. A spot over here in my corner, but my edge that's not covered. There we go. Like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Please be safe. And as always, have a great day.